Hey, TD out here, fishing the Hillsboro outlet down here in Fort Lauderdale, or Pompano Beach, I guess. They got a problem with the drawbridge here. They had a bunch of cars lined up keeping the horns because they weren't letting the cars go through. Boats were going through, but hey, it's just something to mess up people early in the morning. Mechanical things will break. Seen a lot of boats out here so far, and yeah. So my son and I are fishing. We got some small shrimp in there. I've actually got some venison trimmings that I'm trying. You never know what'll work. But anyway, yeah, it's a beautiful day to be out here. It was like 48 degrees this morning when we left at 7 o'clock. Had to go to the bait store, and actually a couple different bait stores. And one of them said he didn't have any more live bait because his live bait truck got in a crash. And he said, yeah, nobody around will have it, but we went to another bait shop right across just about across the street, and they had it. Of course, they get their own bait. So, but anyways, just out here having a good time so far. So we'll let you know if we get anything. Appreciate you hit the subscribe button and get outside today. Go, you're live. Okay, hey. First fish today. My son tells me it's a hogfish, and yeah, probably foot long. Doesn't matter how long it is, so it's out of season. So anyways, yeah, I didn't get skunked. Well, ain't catching any more yet. Having fun, but and also it's starting to warm up. Finally got rid of my sweatshirt, and it's a good way to start a Saturday. There's a ton of people out down here walking. A lot of boats going out. I tell you what, people like this ocean, and have been seeing some like some gar right down there. I think that might be one down towards the bottom there. And anyways, we're sticking with it. Up here, there's a museum and a gift shop. A little park here. Just on the other side here is where a lot of charter boats go out of. Being right here at the inlet is a good place for them. There's a place called Starlight. They're like a party boat. I saw them go out. They go out for 4 hours at a time. Anyways, we're gonna keep at it. Got a piece of shrimp on there, and then I actually got a little bit of venison, some of that trimmings for when I made the jerky, so we're trying that. So anyways, gonna keep trying. Okay, that's a pretty fish right there, ain't it? I guess that's a parrot fish. Just got it out here, and I just found out that there's no bag limit for table fare. So I guess we gotta throw it back. So anyways, sure is a pretty fish show, isn't it? Yeah. All the colors of blue and the orange. Man, oh man. All right. Boats out here waiting for the drawbridge to open. Seems like that guy up there would be getting seasick riding up there. I don't know if he's driving the boat or what the heck. A lot of stuff going on here. Got the professional fishermen right down here from me. Yep. Got a lot of people out here today. You couldn't see it real good, but there's a taxi down there. A water taxi. See, the tide's really going out. A bunch of people getting on the taxi.